If you're into luxury travel and you intend to travel to Athens, I would recommend this hotel for you. Yes, it's a 5 star, and believe me, I travel quite a lot, but not all 5 stars are always this spacious. This is really, really beautiful. It feels like home away from home. As you can see, I have a sitting area, I have enough wardrobe space, I have a huge bathroom, very spacious, made of marble. It's just amazing. I have bathrobes. I think you'll be seeing that at the end. It's just beautiful. As you can see, I have a shower, I have a bathtub, I have an amazing mini bar, and then as you see that section with snacks, I as a tea lover, that is always a must. And sometimes I've been in 5 star hotels that don't even provide a kettle, which is ridiculous. Why did I say I'm positively surprised? As you all know, Greece is not really economically up there. So I went with reservations, like it's a beautiful country, but I didn't expect the hotel to be this nice. And I'm really, really positively surprised. So if you're in Athens, check it out.